Mazda just announced the CX-30 for 2027, and it's one of the most well-rounded subcompact crossovers on the market. If you've been shopping in this segment and keep walking away disappointed by underpowered engines, dull handling, or premium features locked behind expensive trim levels, this is the video you need to watch. Most subcompact crossovers ask you to compromise on something. The 2027 CX-30 comes with standard all-wheel drive, a base engine that outmuscles the competition, and a turbocharged option that hits 60 miles per hour faster than some sports cars. Let's take a look. Exterior updates. When a design already works, there's little reason to tear it apart. Mazda clearly understands this because the 2027 CX-30 is carrying its signature Kodo design forward. Sharper, not reinvented. The grille is taking on a slightly bolder shape and the headlights are going narrower and more precise, giving the front fascia a cleaner, more upscale character. At the rear, revised taillights and a more sculpted bumper follow the same philosophy. Nothing dramatic, but the overall effect is a car that looks newer and more refined without abandoning what made it popular in the first place. For buyers who want their crossover to stand out, two new Air Edition trims are joining the lineup, featuring gloss black exterior badges, 18-inch black metallic wheels, black roof rails, and black mirror caps. The blacked-out result sets these models clearly apart from everything else in the range. That sharper exterior is just the beginning, because under the hood, the 2027 CX-30 is packing one of the strongest powertrain arguments in the entire segment. Powertrain, class-leading. Here is where the CX-30 pulls ahead, and it's not even close. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder will be putting out 186 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. Anyone who has driven a base-trim subcompact crossover knows the feeling. You merge onto the highway, push the pedal, and nothing happens fast enough. That's the compromise most people in this segment are forced to accept. Not with the CX-30. That naturally aspirated 2.5-liter is in a completely different league compared to the turbocharged 3 cylinders and underpowered 1.5-liter units that dominate the competition. 0 to 60 is going to come up in about 8 seconds, well ahead of the class average. But if that still leaves you wanting more, the turbocharged engine is going to change the conversation entirely. On regular fuel, output sits at 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Fill it up with premium, and those numbers climb to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet, enough to reach 60 in around 6 seconds. For anyone who has ever felt let down by a small SUV that looked the part but couldn't back it up, the turbocharged CX-30 is a genuine answer to that frustration. All-wheel drive remains standard across every trim, something most competitors still charge extra for. Now all that power is only worth something if the chassis can actually put it to use, and that's exactly where the next update becomes important. Chassis and suspension updates. No other subcompact crossover offers this kind of driving engagement. Mazda built this crossover to feel alive behind the wheel, and two key mechanical changes are reinforcing that commitment. Most small SUVs bounce and feel disconnected on anything but a smooth road. That's a frustration Mazda has addressed directly. The suspension dampers are getting revised, tuning across the entire lineup, taking the edge off the CX-30's firmer ride, without touching the athleticism that defines it in the corners. At the same time, a brake-based limited slip differential is standard across every trim level, improving traction on hard acceleration and stabilizing the car through corners, especially in wet or slippery conditions. G-Vectoring Control Plus is also standard on all trims, subtly adjusting engine torque and applying light braking based on steering inputs to sharpen corner confidence. In combination with the revised dampers and the new differential, the 2027 CX-30 is shaping up to be the sharpest version of itself yet. A better chassis is a strong reason to consider this crossover, but the experience varies quite a bit depending on which trim you choose, so let's break that down now. Trim level updates. The base 2.5S delivers 16-inch wheels, LED automatic headlights, an 8.8-inch display, and the full standard safety suite, a solid foundation at a competitive price. The 2.5S Select Sport brings a significant jump in daily practicality with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat with memory, heated front seats, and 18-inch black metallic wheels. For anyone who shares a vehicle, having the seat return to your exact position automatically is one of those small conveniences that adds up quickly. The 2.5S Preferred adds the 10.25-inch touchscreen, a power moonroof, wireless phone charging, and front and rear parking sensors. The all-new 2.5S Air Edition slots just above combining the blacked-out exterior with a striking white leatherette interior and light gray stitching. That's a genuinely distinctive option in the range. The 2.5S Carbon Edition keeps its signature red leather seats, polymetal gray exclusive paint, and 12-speaker Bose audio. The 2.5S Premium now comes standard with a heated steering wheel and a 360-degree surround view camera, along with a head-up display and traffic sign recognition. On the turbocharged side, the new 2.5 Turbo Air Edition delivers 250 horsepower inside the Air Edition's blacked-out exterior. The flagship 2.5 Turbo Premium Plus adds Level 2 driver assistance, Sirius XM satellite radio, a windshield wiper de-icer, and paddle shifters. The trim structure tells a clear story, and one of the biggest reasons to move up the range this year is what Mazda has done with technology access. More accessible tech features. One of the most common frustrations with any vehicle lineup is finding out that the features you want are locked behind a trim level you can't justify. The 2027 CX-30 is addressing that directly. The larger 10.25-inch touchscreen, previously exclusive to turbocharged models, is now available from the 2.5S Preferred. It also adds full touch operation with CarPlay and Android Auto, something the smaller display never supported. Wireless connectivity for both CarPlay and Android Auto is coming standard on the Select Sport. For anyone who's been dealing with cables every time they get in the car, that's a welcome change. Amazon Alexa built-in will be standard on all trims above the base, and Mazda Connected Services comes with a complimentary 1-year trial, covering remote start, remote lock and unlock, vehicle health reports, and automatic emergency calling. Better technology is a strong draw, but if you need one more reason to feel confident about this purchase, the safety record of the 2027 CX-30 deserves a serious look. Safety. The CX-30 earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus Award, and Mazda claimed that designation across more vehicles than any other brand. A 5-star NHTSA overall safety rating rounds out an already impressive record. What separates the CX-30 from many rivals is where that safety equipment actually lands. A lot of buyers discover too late that the features they were counting on are only available in higher trims. Not here. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beams are all standard on every single trim level. Higher grades add front and rear parking sensors, rear automatic braking, and a rear seat occupant alert. The Premium gains the 360-degree surround view camera as standard equipment. The Turbo Premium Plus tops it all off with Level 2 driver assistance, lane centering combined with adaptive cruise and traffic. That's a genuinely strong safety package, and when you pair it with everything else this crossover is bringing, the pricing picture that follows is one that's hard to ignore. Pricing. Given everything being added, the price adjustments are surprisingly measured. The base 2.5S will start just under $27,500 with destination, with minimal increases across the lineup. When you consider what's included, the limited slip differential, revised dampers, G-vectoring control plus on every trim, a larger screen in lower grades, and new standard equipment on Premium, those numbers represent genuine value. The fully loaded Turbo Premium Plus will come in just under $39,400 with destination. For a crossover that competes with near luxury options on materials, safety, and driving dynamics, that's a difficult price to argue with. And all-wheel drive is standard at every level. Most competitors charge $1,500 to $2,000 extra for that alone. The 2027 Mazda CX-30 is arriving as a more complete package than ever before. A bolder exterior, a chassis that is now smoother without losing its edge, a base engine that genuinely outperforms the segment, and a turbo option that has no real rival in this class, all paired with smarter technology distribution and a safety record that sits at the very top of the segment. Price increases are modest, standard all-wheel drive remains a given at every level, and the value per dollar argument gets stronger the closer you look. For buyers who have been waiting for a subcompact crossover that doesn't ask them to give something up, the 2027 CX-30 is making a very convincing argument that the wait is over. The great thing about today's market is that the subcompact segment is full of solid alternatives. If you're up for something less elegant and less polished, but more rugged and more adventure-ready, you definitely want to check out our video about the Subaru Crosstrek you can now see on the screen. Best all-wheel drive system and off-road performance in the class now come complemented by a capable and efficient brand-new hybrid system.